Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing video. Obviously, this watch is from a brand that wanted to check out for a while now, but very hard to get a hold of one of their watches. Well, you already know that by the title, but it is a Halios Fairwinds. Fairwinds, not Four Winds. Four Winds is a boat. Halios Fairwind. So let me get this out of here. Looks like it's double packaged here. So yeah, I bought this watch used. It's triple packaged. This has someone's address on it, so let me open this up off to the side. This might be quadruple packaged, I don't know, but definitely a good job with the packaging. I wonder if I can just slide this out of here. Nope, guess not. All right, let's zoom in here. That is the Halios logo. I do have actually two other watches I think I'll compare this one to. I've only seen pictures, never held one in person, so not totally sure what I'm going to want to compare it with, but looks like there's some kind of sticker in here. Nice case. Feels like suede, I guess. I don't know what else is in here, but yeah, it's a nice leather zippered case. So let's get this off of here. I just threw this watch on earlier today. I didn't set the date or anything on it, just the time. Another reason why I like no date watches. This is the also Islander SKX style watch. Forgot which model number exactly, but this is on the Clockwork Synergy FKM rubber strap with the metal end links here. Yeah, very comfortable strap. Actually, let's get this off wrist. Ever since trying on FKM rubber, I really can't go back to silicone or any other kind of rubber type strap, but this is actual FKM rubber. If I were to purchase one of these myself, I would go for I think it's a sapphire bezel insert instead of the stainless steel, but like I said, these are hard to come by, and this one came up for sale in the Random Rob Discord group, so I jumped on it. These lugs curve down a little more quickly than I thought they would have, so looking forward to spending some time with this watch. It really reminds me a lot of my Laurier Neptune, so I will be comparing this to that watch. You get a couple different bezel insert options with this Halios as well. I know they have the Fairwind, and then they have a couple other models. Names escape me at the moment. So many different watch brands out there. It's amazing how many different watch brands there are. It's gotta be a 60-click bezel. Yeah. I don't know about you guys, but I actually prefer a 60-click bezel. I have one on my Black Bay 58 and on my Zin U50. Looks like the alignment may be off a hair on this. That is one negative to a 60-click bezel, is need to be a little more precise with your alignment. Actually, it might be on. My eyeball might be off. I don't know. Oh, that second hand arrow. Does it have a void in it? I don't know. Let's get this thing wound up. Yeah, actually this has a, I think it's a SW200 movement in it. Does it tell us on the back? Fairwind, automatic, 20 ATM, so 200 meter water resistance. $20 ATA. I wonder what that's about. I'll have to do a little bit of research. The dial kind of reminds me of my Seiko 62 Mas. It's not a homage. Well, it's a Seiko watch that looks like the 62 Mas. I forgot what the model number is for that, but anyway, let me get this on wrist. I've been rambling on long enough here. I have a similar style bracelet on a couple of Halios watches. Actually, the Laurier Neptune has a pretty similar bracelet too. So milled clasp. How do you do the micro adjustment on this? So I'll have to play around with that as well. Okay. I thought that kind of looked like a button, and that's what that is. So you push this, and you can adjust this. So maybe you just push this in. Yep. Okay. And then you push that. That's pretty neat, actually. I'm kind of surprised I figured that out without reading anything on that. I kind of suspected it based on this slot in there and this in that separate piece in there. So anyway, that's pretty cool. All right, let me get this on wrist. Sorry, I already said that. Going on way too long with this unboxing. So let's get this on wrist. We'll zoom out. Sorry, I didn't realize it's been 8 minutes and 30 seconds already. So there we go. Looks like a good size for my wrist. Then we'll zoom out all the way. And then we'll close out the video. If you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I greatly appreciate it. Like the video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of this watch. I really like the styling of it. I like how those lugs come down, curve down pretty quickly. So yeah, it looks good. I have to decide if this will be a keeper or not. Yeah, I don't know. So, all right, that will conclude today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time, and I'll catch you on the next one.